Welcome back to Miami for day 3 of the historic Bacardi Cup. Celebrating its 88th year, the event for the Star class has again attracted a big entry. 56 boats made the trip to the blue waters of Biscayne Bay. Surprisingly though, there's just one woman amongst the competitors.
Being the only woman feels great here. I mean, it's not definitely something I don't focus on. But everyone's been really welcoming, so that's a great aspect of it. It'd be amazing to see more women joining in on it, and I'm sure that's happening. There were a few more before, so hopefully more coming. And the competition has been great. The level's extreme, so it's you have to work really hard out there.
The beautiful Key Biscayne area is well known around the world with sailors as one of the premier regatta venues. Consistent wind, warm temperatures and turquoise waters, the perfect stable conditions to create the level playing field needed for the tactical Star class. The master of the day was none other than Torben Grail with his crew, Guilherme de Almeida. It was a domination by the Grail brothers, with Torben's younger brother Lars finishing in second. The results though didn't alter the overall standing, with the leaders still Brazilian, but not the Grails. Zarif and Prada had a solid day to finish in the top 10. A good performance also from US sailors Diaz and Boltons, who finished in third and climbed to 5th overall.
It's a typical Star class regatta where, in a typical Bacardi Cup. The Bacardi Cup is a very difficult regatta to win. I think a lot of people respect it, and it's really, after the World Championship, it's got to be one of the most prestigious events, and I think that's why you see a lot of the great guys coming back.
Well, however serious the sailing is out on the water, there's also plenty of emphasis on having fun. At the Bacardi Miami Sailing Week, there's a full schedule of social events. Thursday sees the opening day for the 6 other classes racing this week. It should be quite some spectacle out on the water. Stay with us.